Do you like YouTube? Do you want to be rich, kind, and famous? Then you need to hear the story of MrBeast. He started with nothing. Just a phone and a dream. Today, he is one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. And while you listen, you will also practice your English. So stay with me, until the end, for the most powerful lesson. A normal boy. MrBeast's real name is Jimmy Donaldson. He was born in 1998, in the USA. He was a quiet kid. He liked video games and YouTube. At age 13, he made his first YouTube video. It was simple. He used a cheap computer. No microphone. No lights. No money. But he said, "I want to be the biggest YouTuber one day." And he started uploading, every day. He had no team, no camera, just passion. What do you have? A phone? That's enough to start. 100 videos, 100 views. For many years, nobody watched his videos. He made over 100 videos, and got just a few views. But he didn't stop. He studied YouTube every day. He asked, why do people click? What makes a great thumbnail? How can I make people watch till the end? He practiced. And practiced. And practiced. He said, if you do something 10,000 times, you will be good at it. English learners, same rule for you. Giving money away. One day, he got his first brand deal. They gave him $10,000 to promote a product. What did he do? He gave it all to a homeless man. Yes. He gave away $10,000 in one video. And that video went viral. People were shocked. They loved his kindness. That was the start of something big. Wait, he gave away money. What kind of YouTuber does that? Let's find out. Crazy ideas. MrBeast started doing wild challenges. Counting to 100,000. Watching paint dry for hours. Saying, Logan Paul, 100,000 times. It was funny, and painful, but people couldn't stop watching. Why? Because he gave 100% effort. He made big promises, and always delivered. That's how he grew fast. Building a team. MrBeast knew he couldn't do everything alone. So he found friends. People who worked hard like him. Cameramen. Editors. Idea guys. Together, they made epic videos. Last to leave the circle wins $10,000. I opened a free car dealership. I gave a house to a stranger. And people loved it. Teamwork makes the dream work. Who is on your team? Or are you still afraid to start? MrBeast the Kind King. MrBeast is not just rich, he's also kind. He started Beast Philanthropy, a channel to give away food and help people. He started Team Trees, and planted over 20 million trees. He even helped blind people see again by paying for surgery. Why? He said, if I have money, I want to use it for good. MrBeast's rules for success. MrBeast shares 3 big lessons. Work hard when no one is watching. Keep learning and testing. Care about your audience. He also said, don't wait. Just start. Make 100 videos. Improve each time. Be obsessed. Be kind. Be real. These tips are not just for YouTube. They work for learning English too. What if you studied English the way MrBeast studied YouTube? You'd be fluent in 1 year. He's still young. MrBeast is only in his 20s. But he has over 200 million subscribers. His own chocolate brand. His own burger chain. And a heart full of kindness. But he still works hard. He still wakes up early. He still wants to grow more. That's what makes him different. Start now. MrBeast didn't wait for a perfect camera. He didn't wait for support. He started. He failed. He tried again. And he changed the world. So, dear English learner, start speaking. Make mistakes. Learn from them. Don't stop. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be brave. Write this in the comments. I will start today. Tell us, what do you want to become great at? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Because this channel is not just for learning English, it's for changing your life. See you in the next video. And remember, don't wait to be ready. Just start. Like MrBeast did.